data, and these are very simple functions. I will see them first. So how to split the day, month, and year into multiple cells? Day of the date. Only day can be fetched from the date. Month of the date. Year of the date. Again, you can join them back by using date function. If you use date function, again you can join them back. Like what is an year, what is the month, and what is the day. Again, you can create a date. So you can split and you can create the date. Now function will return system's current date along with the current time. And again, from here you can split only hour of the time, minute of the time, second of the time. You can split them. Today function will return system's current date. Okay. And weekday function, see, it will return what is the position of the week. I mean, currently you are in which number of week.
Yeah.
Generally, it will start from Sunday to Saturday by default, or you can also select any of the other week format. It's a Friday to Thursday, Saturday to Friday, etc. And week number will return currently we are in which week. Okay, generally we'll be having approximately 52 weeks per an year. So it will show you currently we are in which week. Week number and select it. See, currently we are in 28th week. Okay. Week number. And date if function can be used to get the difference between two dates in years or months and days. Let's say I'm giving something 1988. Okay. So I would like to see what is the difference between these two dates.
Yeah.
Then we can make use of this function called date diff. Difference between dates. Date diff. What is start date, comma, what is end date, comma, interval. Interval in Y. Y stands for years. Yeah. Okay. And I'm copying the same formula for remaining cells. M. Months. So if you want to show it in months, you can use M. Or if you want to show it in day-wise difference, then D. 10,572 days.
Wow.
Okay?
Yeah.
But how to get accurate result? Accurate result in the sense, for example, if I'm asking what is your exact age, so generally how will say, let's say I'm saying 28 years, 3 months, 4 days, etc.
Yeah.
Right? So how to get that? Again, I'm writing same function. Date diff, start date, comma, end date, comma, Y. So this is 28 years. Y, M. Okay. Completed months in the running year. And MD. Completed days in the running month.
Okay.
28 years, 11 months and 11 days. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm changing here. 28 years, 11 months and 1 days. Let's say I'm trying to concatenate this. age is 28 years, 11 months and 1 day. See, age is 28 years, 11 months and 1 days. Just change the values here. So I'm changing it to something. 29 days, 4 months and 4 days. Okay. So this is I can make use of this dative function. Very useful function while working with days. Okay. Next option that we are having, network days. Networking days between two different dates. So I would like to see how many working days are there in this month. So how to calculate working days excluding Saturday and Sunday. So we have 5 Saturdays, 5 Sundays. Right? 31 minus 10, you should get 21 as a net working days here. Equals to network days. What is start date? What is end date? And if you have any holidays, you can list out here. I'm just selecting this range. Otherwise, you can ignore. Okay, see, it is giving me 21 working days. Let's say I'm saying this is holiday for me. 2 days holiday for me, then net working days are only 20. Okay. And networkdays.intl. INTL stands for international. So you can define what are your weekends. So generally in this case it is taking automatically Saturday and Sunday as your weekend. Okay. Whereas in networkdays INTL you can define what is your weekend. The start date comma end date comma, here you can define what is your holiday. Let's say in this case I am saying Sunday only. We have 6 working days per week. And if you have any holidays, you can declare. Otherwise, ignore this. See, in this case it is giving me 26. 31 minus 5 Saturdays and the net working days are 26 days. Okay. And this one, end of month. To get the last day of the given date in the month can be written by using end of the month. Comma 0. See, in the current month, what is the last date? 1. Next month, what is the last date? 8th August, 31st August. Okay. Or you can also give negative. Previous month, what is the last date?
Okay. I was going to ask that.
So this I can work with. Yeah. So these are the day and time functions. Okay. So very simple, very useful functions you can see. And let's move to lookups and references. So the first function we are having, VLOOKUP. So do you have any idea about this VLOOKUP?
VLOOKUP is used to get specific portions of a table and use it somewhere else. Is that it?
Okay. So have you ever used this VLOOKUP function?
I have, but I don't exactly remember what I used it for. I looked up the syntax online and then used it.
Okay, no problem. So it's very simple. You just give me answer for my question. Okay, you can understand very easily. Okay. So I'm asking, what is the price of category 3? So just see this data, this table. 56, right? What is the quantity of category 7?
142.
142. Okay. I'm asking what is the amount of category 10?
There is no category 10.
There is no category 10, right?
Yeah.
Exactly, VLOOKUP function also works in the same way. So what you're doing here, when I'm asking a question, first what you're looking for? You're looking for whether category is available or not.
Okay.
If the category is available, you're trying to fetch the data from respected column.
Yeah.
If I say price, you're getting the data from price column or from quantity column or from amount column. But to get this value, first of all, you should have this category, whatever I'm asking.
Yeah.
If it is available, then you can fetch that value. Right? Exactly, VLOOKUP also works in the same way. Okay? V stands for vertical in this case, VLOOKUP.
Yeah.
VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. Okay? And see the syntax. Lookup value, what you're looking for, table, where you're looking in, column, which column data you need, exact match or approximate match.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's say category 3. I would like to get the price for category 3. Okay, here it is amount. Okay, we'll get amount only. How to write this function? VLOOKUP. What is the lookup value? What you're looking for? I'm looking for category 3. Where you're looking in? I am looking in category field. From here you can select towards right.
Yeah.
This is my complete table. Okay?
Yeah.
And which column data you're expecting?
Amount.
In this case, amount.
Yeah. Each.
Okay? So what is the number of this column number from here? This is your selected table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Okay.
Amount is available in 6th column. 6, comma, exact match. Forget about this approximate match. Select exact match. See, category 3 is available, so it is giving me 8232 as amount.
Yeah.
Okay, next option, quantity. We lookup value, where you are looking in. I am looking in category field. I am selecting towards right.
Yeah. So
Comma, which
always,
column data?
You always do right?
Yeah, there is option to select only right, not left side.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. And we are looking for quantity, then 5.
5, right? Yes. Exactly. See, category 3 is available in this column, so you are able to fetch so VLOOKUP is able to fetch the data from quantity and amount.
Yeah.
Say I'm asking the same question for category 10. Category 10 is not available, so it is giving me not applicable.
Yeah.
Error. Clear with this?
Yes.
It's very simple VLOOKUP function.
So for every category we have to write a different VLOOKUP formula.
If sorry, what is the question?
So let's say we need amount and quantity for every category individually. So we cannot just change the criteria. We have to make a table like this for every category.
No, you can copy the formula, right?
Yeah.
You don't need to write again and again. You just write, you return for category 10 and apply the same for remaining. Okay, but you must remember those references. When should use which reference?
Sure.
Absolute reference, column absolute, row absolute.
Yeah.
If you're clear with those references, then it will be easy. No need to write again and again. Just simply copy the one formula for remaining cells.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, next one, HLOOKUP. H stands for horizontal lookup.
Yeah.
In VLOOKUP, what we are doing, you are trying to fetch the data vertically, whereas in HLOOKUP, you will fetch the data horizontally. Okay?
Yeah.
So which one will be using very frequently?
VLOOKUP.
VLOOKUP. Why?
Because most data we search vertically.
Yeah, mostly data will be stored in this manner,
Yeah.
vertical manner.
Yeah.
Okay, so no one will prefer to maintain the data in this manner. So that is the reason mostly we can use VLOOKUP only.
Yeah.
HLOOKUP, just for your idea. HLOOKUP,
Same.
what is the lookup value? Where you are looking in, I am selecting horizontally and towards down. Which in earlier we understood which column data. Here we need to count which row data.
Fifth.
Again it is 6 for amount. Okay.
Yeah.
And HLOOKUP, again lookup value, selecting table, fifth row data, exact match.
Yeah.
So here also, let's say I'm trying to get category 10 information. Sorry. Not applicable.
Yeah.
Okay. VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. And here, match, index. Okay, so first we'll try to understand match and index individually. Generally, this match and index function can be used as an alternative for VLOOKUP actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so first we'll understand what is match function. See, it will try to find the given criteria in a single row or column. If criteria found, it will return the position of the criteria. If not, error value will be returned.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make this simple. Okay. In this, I'm selecting some column. In this, what is the position of category 2?
3.
3. Okay. What is the position of category 10?
There's no category 10.
No category. That's it. See, if the criteria is available, then it will return position. If criteria is not available, error. That's it. That is what match function.
Okay.
Okay. Equals to match, lookup value, lookup array, exact match. Category 3 is available and the position of category 3 is 4.
4.
I am expecting category 9. Category 9 is not available. Error. That's it. If criteria found, position will be returned. Criteria not found, error will be returned.
Yeah.
And how to avoid this error?
If error, we use another.
If error function can be written on top of this, you can write if error function. Right? Okay. Now we'll see index. How index function works. Okay, let's say I am selecting these 2 columns. Okay. And I'm asking what is the value in second row, second column?
Second row, second column.
Yeah.
A.
Yeah. Right? See, if you observe, in match function, I'm giving the value and it is returning position.
Yeah. Here we're
Whereas in index function, we are giving position and it will return value.
So it's the opposite.
Check. Opposite.
Yeah.
Okay. Index, the complete table. What is the row number? What is the column number?
Yeah.
See, in third row, second column, we are having B.
Yeah.
Okay. So match function is returning position, index function returning value. And how to use index and match as an alternative for VLOOKUP. First of all, why do we need to have as an alternative for VLOOKUP? Okay, check how it was. For example, for item B, I would like to get the sales amount and I would like to get the category.
Yeah.
That means I am having the data in middle. I would like to fetch right side information and left side information. Okay. By using VLOOKUP, you can fetch the data from right side, not from left side.
Okay.
See, what is the problem? I am writing VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, lookup value. And where can I find this item? In which column?
Item is in B.
Yeah,
Second column.
in item column, right? From here, my table must be started.
Yeah.
Towards right. You just observe this range D70 to D78. When I'm moving to right, what you can see over there? Observe.
Yeah. It's increased.
It's giving you D to J,
Yeah.
D to I, D to H. But when I'm trying to move to left side, it is not giving D to C. It is giving C to D.
Yeah.
That means you're trying to find the item B in category column. Obviously, it will not identify. It can't identify.
Yeah.
So that is the reason VLOOKUP can't work with left side columns.
You use index match for that.
Yeah. So we must use index and match function here. So how to use index and match function here? Index. This is the complete table. And what is the row number? Row number can be identified using match function. Match, lookup value, lookup array, exact match. So this match function will return the position of B, that is nothing but a row number. And column number we know we are working with category field. So in this case amount, right? So amount and 6. 8775. And how to get this category? Again, I'm writing index, comma. How to get the row number? Using match function. Lookup value, lookup array, exact match. Will return position of the B, nothing but a row, and column we know 1. Category 2. See, by using this index and match, we are able to fetch the data from right side and also from left side. Two way. But if you use VLOOKUP, you'll get only right side information, not left side information. Okay. But generally, we'll never use this in real time, just like interview purpose. Most of the times, interviewers will ask this question, index and match. So, just for idea. And here you can see choose functions. Choose function can be used to select the value based on the index number. How to write this? Equals to choose index number and list out all your values here. Let's say I'm writing platinum, gold, silver, etc. So I'm having 3 items here, 3 values.
Yeah.
Okay, based on my index number, value will be returned. If I say 1, premium, 2, gold, 3, silver. Okay, to select the values, generally will be using this method. So maximum 16 criteria can be given. Okay, so by using this choose function, and other functions, we can make use of this kind of dynamic charts.
It's like a drop down.
Okay.
It's like a drop down.
No, this is not a drop down. This is a spin button.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see how to prepare this kind of charts and all while working with charts.
No, the choose function is like a drop down. Like you're selecting. When you select a certain value, then the data changes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. But here you'll be having index values, numeric values.
Oh yeah. Only numeric.
Yeah, only numeric, index number.
Yeah, index value. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
And these are very simple function, row number and column number. Row of the selected cell, column of the selected cell. So these are very simple functions, but it can be used very effectively while working with VBA macros actually. But, okay.
Yeah.
So these are lookups and references.
Okay.
Let's move to conditional formulas. Conditional formulas, we are having like sum if s, count if s. So these are very frequently used functions. Okay. So without these functions, you can't prepare any of the report or dashboard. It's very clear. Okay. And do you have any idea about this? Sum if, count if s, etc.
Count if I've heard, but apart from that, I don't know. Some is written.
Okay, no problem. So just give me an answer, you'll get this, no problem. Okay, just observe this table and give me answer. What is the total amount of dB?
60.
60. What is the total amount of INT?
0.
0. What is the total amount of CR?
90.
90. Okay, how you are saying this? When I'm asking a question, first you are checking whether dB is available or not.
Yeah.
If it is available, you are trying to sum the against values of the given criteria.
Yeah.
Okay, and when I ask you INT, immediately you said INT is not available, so the value is 0. Exactly, sum if function also does the same thing. It will also try to find the criteria. If it is available, it can sum the against values.
Yeah.
In this case, I would like to sum amount for category 1. So first of all, do we have category 1s here? Yes, category 1 has been repeated for 3 times.
Yeah.
78765, 8436 and 9345. So result must be 96546. How to get this? See the syntax. Sum if, criteria range, criteria, sum range. See, every time sum range will be numeric value. It can be quantity, it can be price, it can be amount, anything. Sum range must be numeric value. See, sum if, what you are looking for? I am looking for category 1, so that will be available in category. So this is my criteria range. In this criteria range, what is the criteria looking for? Category 1.
Yeah.
If category 1 is available, what you would like to sum? I would like to sum amount field. Sum range.
Yeah.
See, 96546. Clear?
You also selected the title, so it understands that is the title.
Sorry?
When you selected the amount column, you selected the title.
Okay, let's do it one more time, no problem. See? No problem. It works.
It works, okay.
Sum if, criteria range, In this I'm looking for category 1. And if category 1 available, what you would like to sum? I would like to sum amount field.
Okay.
Nine six 546. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Next option we'll see sum ifs. Multiple criterias, multiple ranges.
Yeah.
See the syntax here. Sum ifs. First sum range. In earlier case, sum range will come last.
Yeah.
In sum ifs, sum range will come first.
Okay. So.
Okay. See, I would like to see category must be category 1, item must be A. In that case, what is the range? What is the sales amount?
Yeah.
So first of all, check how many combinations are available with this criteria. Category must be category 1 and item must be A. Can you please check and let me know?
2.
Only 2. This one, category 1. Category 1 is there, but item is not D, so we can't consider this.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how to get this? Sum ifs. What is your sum range? Amount. What is your first criteria range?
Item.
Category.
A. Okay.
Yeah.
Category.
In this category, what are you looking for?
Category.
Category 1. What is the second criteria range?
Item.
Item field. In this, what you are looking for? A. Right? So criteria range is nothing but a where you are looking in. Criteria is nothing but a what you are looking for.
Yeah.
87201.
Yeah.
78765 plus 8436. 87201.
Yeah.
Okay. And you try for this. I am giving 3 conditions.
Okay.
See, multiple criteria can be given up to 16. So far I used 2 criteria.
Yeah.
Maximum 16 criteria can be used in a single SUMIFS condition. So, you understood this SUMIFS function properly? SUMIF and SUMIFS?
I'll have to do it on my own to. This is a little bit more confusing than other ones, so yeah. So I'll have to do it on my own.
Okay, so because these are the functions you'll be using very frequently.
Okay.
These conditional formulas.
I'll
Without understanding this, you can't prepare any report. Yeah. And it's very simple. If you understood at least one function like SUMIF or SUMIFS, remaining all you can.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see here. Count if function. The name itself is telling count if criteria satisfied. I would like to see how many times this category 1 has been repeated. That's it. So how to do that? What is the syntax here? Count if criteria range criteria.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what is the criteria range? What is criteria?
Criteria range is category.
Category column. In this, what you're looking for?
Category 1.
Category 1. That's it.
Yeah.
It has been repeated for 3 times.
Yeah.
And here I'm looking for combination. Whenever you're looking for more than one criteria, then you must use count ifs.
Yeah. That is the only difference.
Count ifs. Yeah. Count if is for single criteria, ifs is for multiple criteria. Yeah.
So criteria range is item.
First one.
Category.
Yeah.
And category 1.
Yeah.
And then item.
Yeah,
and A.
that's it. This combination has been repeated for 2 times.
Now I understand it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Count blank function, count of blank cells.
Yeah.
Count a function, count of non-blank cells. That's it. Equals to count blank. How many blank cells are there in this range? 7 blank cells.
Yeah.
How many non-blank cells are there? Count A of,
Everything.
select the range, 41. So overall we are having 48 cells in this range and 41 non-blank, 7 blank. Let's say I'm giving some value.
Yeah.
4 blank cells, 44 non-blank cells.
Yeah.
Okay, it's very simple, useful. Here you can tell me if you understood sum if function.
Yeah.
Here you can tell me average if function.
So first, average if.
See the observe the syntax and tell me. Average if.
Category
Very good.
and category 1.
Yeah. Then
Average range. So
yeah, I would like to get the average of amount. 32182. So generally, how will calculate average? Sum by count. Sum is 96546. I have 3 items, and the average is 32182. That is what you can see here.
yeah.
Now I would like to see combination.
Yeah.
Average of category 1 and A.
Yeah. So equal average if
Average if is, yeah.
category
Observe the syntax.
average range.
Yeah.
So
What you're trying to average?
we're trying to average amount.
Amount.
Yeah.
Then,
Criteria range.
yeah,
That is category.
yeah.
Item.
In this category 1,
Okay.
criteria. Then, second criteria range. Then, second criteria.
Yeah.
43600.
This is
5. So how? Category 1A, one combination. Category 1A, another combination. Sum is 87201. 2 combinations. Average is 43600.5.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how we can use this functions, conditional functions. Okay. Very simple, very effectively can be used.
Yeah. I'll practice
You must be familiar with these functions.
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll see some miscellaneous functions.
Okay.
Round function.
Round up.
It can be used to adjust the decimal values, you know, right?
Yeah.
Adjusting to 123.46, two digits.
Yeah.
Round, again I'm applying round function here. If I say round function, what is the result? 123.45. But I would like to make it round up function. If I say round up function, the result will be 123.46.
Okay.
Okay, above nearest value.
Below. Round down is below.
Below nearest value. See, if I say normal round function, generally it is giving me 123.46.
Yeah.
if I say round down function, it will return 123.45 below nearest value.
Yeah.
Okay. So as per your requirement, you can adjust the decimal values.
Yeah.
And see here some product. Some product generally how you'll get the sales grand total amount here. For example, this is my price and quantity. How to get the total amount here? First you need to calculate individually. Price into quantity individually. Then here you will be getting the grand total. Instead of that, directly you can make use of this sum product. See, first array comma second array.
Wow.
So sum and product will be done at a time.
So you don't even have to do amount if you don't need it.
No,
Yeah.
direct.
This is a very good function.
Yeah. Cell function. Cell function can be used to get some information of the particular cell. Cell, say row number of the selected cell, 38. Cell, column of the selected cell, 5. Cell, address of the selected cell.
Yeah.
1 second, please. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. And next option, file name. Cell file name of the selected cell. See, file name will return complete path of the selected file.
Wow.
And this function we know, rand function. Rand function will return some random value between 0 to 0.99
Yeah.
whenever there is a recalculation.
Rand between will be
And
between a certain range that we give it.
yeah, you can define what is the bottom value and what is the top value, and the value will be written between given values.
Yeah.
Okay, simple. And minimum maximum functions. Minimum value in this range, max value in this range.
Yeah.
Okay, and small. See, what is the difference between minimum and small? Is in minimum and maximum you'll get the least and highest values, whereas in small you can define which is smallest value. If I say 1, I'll get the least value. If I say 2, you'll get second least value. Same thing goes with large as well. Second largest value. Okay, so generally we'll be using this method to sort the values using formula. Generally this is one of the interview question which will be asking very frequently. How to sort the values using formulas. This is the option. See how to do that. First I'm filling this with series. Equals to, I would like to sort smallest value to largest value. So I'm writing small. This is an array. and in this array I'm selecting 1, first smallest value to last smallest value, smallest to largest. And how to do this?
Large
For largest, large,
amount.
this is the range. See here I used absolute reference.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, you understood why we are using absolute reference?
Yeah, because if you change the location.
Yeah, it must not be changed, right?
Yeah.
For all the cells, it must be same.
Yeah.
Range must be same.
Yeah.
This one is changing. Criteria is changing. Okay, largest value to smallest value.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how you can make use of this minimum, maximum, small, large. These are just miscellaneous functions. Just go through them.
So this
Okay.
is for sorting we use large and small.
Yeah, just for numeric values.
Okay.
It works only for numeric values. Generally, we'll never use this in real time. This is interview question.
Okay.
So, to make confusion, I'm not sure about USA, how they will ask. But in India, generally, these kind of questions they will ask. Okay. And so, yeah, these are the functions. We are done with whatever the functions which are required for our business activities.
Okay.
And other than this, I'll also share few files now. Okay, some Excel formulas files. Generally, we covered some 70 formulas.
Yeah.
Okay, if you are interested, you can also learn all remaining formulas from this sheet.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
This will be so helpful.
Okay. Yeah, I will share this. If you have any